This is Dana Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2018 Gold Rush Autograph Jersey Baseball. This is a one-box break. This is an eBay break on December 2nd, 2018. This is Series 2, by the way, the latest. I'm going to go ahead and read off eBay usernames with team names. J.A. Miller 01 with the Giants, Padres, and Nationals. We got Hot Wheels.King with the Cardinals, and also rocking the Athletics, Pirates, and the Mariners. We got Dreamer's Joy with the Yankees, Neo DY Girl with the Mets, Skate X Travis with the Twins, Big Blue Nation 103070 with the Brewers, Thorpe.Dusty with the Dodgers, Lafania 44 rocking the Red Sox, Braves, Cubs, and Angels, S Vanwag 7 MYZ with the Astros, Lucar_4456 with the Tigers, Parmonel-0 with the Indians, JA Hoops 10 with the White Sox, and Slide and Pray rocking the Orioles. That's your full lineup. And we've got your sealed box here. See if I can get that on the screen. Box a little tall there. Baseball Gold Rush Autograph 2018 Jersey Edition. Sealed box here. We're going to get the plastic off first. Okay, time to crack the seals. Gotta be opening right now. Perfect timing. Coming at you right now, guys. All right, everybody, good luck. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Good luck, everybody. JSA cert here. And coming right at ya. Oh, yep. I think we all know who that is. Your autographs on the bottom there with your JSA cert on the number 4. How about that for them Astros on the Springer autograph jersey? That is gorgeous. Beautiful George Springer autograph jersey with the number 4. Beautiful hit for the Stros. JSA cert. Beauty. Let's get that folded back up in the box. Beautiful hit for the Stros on the Springer. And the Astros, S Vanwag 7 MYZ. Congrats. That's a gorgeous looking jersey on the Springer. Guys, thank you so much for breaking on the autograph jersey baseball. Stick around. Once again, like I said, we got your autograph mini helmet break coming up next, guys, at 11. So I'll be sticking around. Thank you so much.